everyone, my name is Natalia, and I'll be talking a little bit about Polish cuisine. In Poland, we eat a lot of meat, especially kielbasa. We also love to eat pierogies, fried dough with certain delicacies inside. In the Baltic area, where I am from, we like to eat a lot of fish. This one is called dorsz. Usually for dinner, we pair it up with some potatoes and some sort of cabbage salad. And last but not least, the Polish, we love our own vodka.
Your muddy, it's a rice dough stuffed with chocolate, kua, a dairy product, and we steam it in a steamer. Some of the popular barbecued meat items are choela, sukuti, and sekua, which are specially made from buffalo meat, goat meat, lamb meat with different spices. Wo and chotamari are the special breads which is made from lentil flours and rice flour. Momo and chow mein are one of the hot and happening lunch items, which is also known as dumplings and lo mein. Samaya bhaji is the combination of beaten rice, soya beans, garbanzo beans, kidney beans, spinach, achar, aloo tama, bamboo shoot, and a potato soup, putan, fried buff, tomato achar, and a srikva.